Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So we are in lesson number 164 now, and we are resuming our ongoing development of the sale order for user form development, in which we are developing a sale order entry form. And that was interrupted because we had decided to do some diversion. A different topic was covered in the three videos. So this was the lesson. That was also regarding the VBA expertise, but it was generally focused for the YouTubers, right? And who are running the channel, and how do they monitor their channel performance, and how can they best utilize their VBA skills, or the tool which we have developed, they can utilize it for optimizing their channel performances. Okay, so we are now getting back to our lesson number 164 now. Previous lesson was 160, now 164. So the three lessons were of the different topics. Okay, so let's open it. So the file is opening. Yeah. This is giving the error. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we close this as well. Yeah. Okay. So this is our screen, and we have been working on this, and we were developing the form like this. But since today I'm getting this notification from the provider, this is also a learning that when you activate, when you buy an ActiveX, and they give you a trial period in which you have you can test it, and later on you have to buy it. Okay, so it is not going to let us use it until we buy it, right? And just for example, if we go to our existing sale order, we press in here, it does bring all the information in the shipment tab, because that control is not being used in here. That's why it is working, right? So part of the program will be working, but this is the message. Yeah, this is the message which is causing the problem. Means it is notifying you that you are no longer now. You got to buy it. There is no other way, right? So when I click the buy now, it is not letting me through, and it is giving a site not found. So I wrote a message to them, mysoft@gmail.com. So I intended to show you this message. So this is the message. I open it. Yeah, this is the message which is which I wrote to them. Dear provider, I have been using this control, ActiveX control, for uploading my tutorials on my YouTube channel. So my channel is yet to be monetized. I am a poor man. I don't ask me to pay the money until because let the channel be monetized first, then I can think of purchasing anything like this. So as an evidence, I'm telling them that this is my performance of the channel. So I'm a bit away. Means I have a journey to travel. Means that much to reach to the status of monetization, right? And also the subscribers. So as soon as we see that, then we can show. So I have requested them to please uh, consider my request, and my and I have also mentioned that my videos have been playing a role of publishing an effective advertisement of your product. Yeah, because in my videos, many times you would see that this message is appearing. So I wrote to them. I hope they reply to me, and then we can continue with this. But even then, uh, let's for today uh, go through what we have learned so far. Was that we were on the update button, right? So let's go to the update button, and that is somewhere here. Yeah. And the update button, this is how we reach to the update button. We double click in it, and this was the structure we created, that as soon as the update button is clicked, the system is going to perform a procedure. This is it will send to the procedure all these variables, and it will look for it. If valid, if that is valid, then it is going to write the data right from the user form to the sheet, to the Excel sheet, right? Otherwise, it is going to display the error messages, right? So let's see if we use this, okay, and uh, we choose a salesperson, we choose a customer. All this information are very much here, okay. And then we click the update, for example. So it says the shipment fee not entered, right? It found that all the informations are there, the header informations, but the shipment fees are not there. So why? Because this is this. So the shipment fee is supposed to be entered here, right? So if you say it's $200 is the shipment fees, for example, and then you click update again. So now it is ready to write the data in the table. Okay, so this is where it is going to add all the information which you have entered. But since you still have to do many things related to the grid view, yeah. So in which the stocks have to be verified, whether the item selected that is that can be ordered or not, and so on and so forth. So this is how it is done, and we will work on it as soon as uh, we are allowed to use the control, the trial period is extended as a goodwill gesture for us. I hope they will consider it, sir. Okay. So in the meantime, we will we can also work out some alternate in, yeah, there are so many ways to do, not a single means you cannot restrict yourself to say if there is one way is not possible, then there are some different other controls available that can be utilized. And so there are so many other controls they are working. So we would love that the things which we have done, uh, it is not wasted. So if they allow us and we receive any message, in the meantime, we would do uh, something related to what the lessons we have so far learned, our learning. So let's reinforce our learning so that this is the best time to revise, right? So we started with the employee master like this, right? This was the form. This control was not by it comes, it's a standard thing, so you don't have to buy it. It is a part of Excel, so that's why it is working, right? And when you close it, right, yeah, then you go to the product. Yes, it is also working. That's fine, because that control is not required in here, which was causing problem. Okay, the supplier master, yes, this is also working, right? So close. And then customer master, yes, it is also working. That's fine. And the project. Now, these two things, the purchase order entry, so we have to make it. So we will, and hopefully we get this thing done. Then we will also utilize the same control for purchase order entry and purchase order details, right? Purchase order entry and purchase order, yeah. Uh, Also there in reports. Okay, so far so good. And we also uh, remind you that we used some add-in toolbar in which we used certain keys, like this is a solver example, and we showed you how to validate the workbook structure, right? And so these, and you can add your more controls in it, right? And where is it performed? I mean, how these tools are created. So this is uh, in the, if you go to the view developer tab and go to the view tab. So here in the you put here, and then you check your toolbars, right? It is, as far as I remember, it is in there. So this is the auto open. In the auto open, this is the place where it is clearing, it is adding create my toolbar, right? It is there. So if we go to the create my toolbar, we say Control F, and we will current project. So this is where all the icons are created, not only created, but also they are assigned to a certain procedure. All these icons are given a shape, and they are given as they are assigned. This is how and so we assign it, that we write that icon dot on action uh, go to this macro, right? So my book is whatever the name of the book, and in this book you are going to click this. Okay, so there are so many tools, the macros which you can, and you can keep on adding as you find some new utility which you can make part of this toolbar, you can add it. Okay, and the step of adding is in this, that first of all you add a new control like this one. Yeah, say this is 485. Let's make, we copy it and paste it and make a different numbers, for example 597, and then uh, go to this, and these two rows have to be copied as well, and make this 42 to 43, right? And you just add a procedure, write that procedure name in here, and whatever you want this to be displayed when your cursor is on the toolbar. When you put the cursor here, something appears, on the screen, that my toolbar go to this, means what this button is going to do, right? So it sets the hyperlink. Right? We click here, so it starts performing, doing the work, and putting the and adding the hyperlink, so that users can directly play these videos to see that. So this is very useful, and this how you run the, you can run the videos, all the users, and this file is in the comment file, in the comment section of every video available. It is attached, and it is updated on daily basis by us. Okay, thank you very much for joining, and see you in our next video.